It is 2-Minute Tuesday. Just kidding, it's not 2-Minute Tuesday. We didn't have one of those this week because I showed you guys how to install coilovers on Monday. If I can get it in the holes here. There we go. If you haven't seen that yet, you should definitely check it out. This month we've got a giveaway winner to announce. We're doing another giveaway. Obviously we have new products to check out, and we have some product updates, some of which you guys have been patiently, well, some of you guys patiently waiting for, but let's get to it. Now, if you guys haven't already done so, please hit that subscribe button and like this video so you can stay up to date with any new giveaways and videos that we release. And speaking of giveaways, we have two winners to announce today. The first one being Martin Tran, who commented about making a comprehensive exhaust video comparing a bunch of different exhausts, which is actually on my to-do list. So congratulations to Martin Tran on winning the lowering springs. And then we also have Cody Vocal, who commented about making a sort of a best bang for your buck video, which I think is a great idea, so I'll put that on my list. Congratulations to Cody, you won the tail lights. If you are either Cody or Martin, go ahead and email us at sales@SubiSpeed.com and we'll ask to verify some info and get those prizes sent out for you. Also, if you're ever wondering if there are any new products for your car, head on over to our website, click on the new products tab in the drop-down menu, and that is where you can see the newest released products to the market. First thing we're going to talk about today is a new lineup of products from Nextbase, which is their dash cams. They have 4 different dash cams that range in video quality and different features. This one here is the 222 dash cam that is kind of in the middle of the pack. It's going to give you full HD recording just in case you get into an accident out on the road or you are sitting in a parking lot or something like that. This is going to give you some peace of mind so you have video evidence to help back up your insurance claim. There's also a bunch of different accessories available for these dash cams to give you a rear camera, different mounts, hard wiring harnesses. A dash cam is definitely something that I would recommend go into your car because we all know accidents happen and sometimes they can just be a pain in the ass. If you guys are a fan of carbon fiber parts and you're in the market for some side skirts, OLM just released their VA style carbon fiber side skirts, which we actually run on our WRX here. So if you have a carbon fiber front lip, these are going to be a perfect addition to your car. Next up, we have the new FactionFab coilovers. We have 2 different options for you guys. This here is the F spec. We also have the FR spec. They look pretty similar. They both have 32 levels of damping. You've got independent preload and height adjustability with aluminum locking collars with isolators to prevent any spring bind. You obviously have your dust boot, bump stop, and they are coated for corrosion resistance, and that's pretty much where the similarities end. They actually differ internally with different weight oils, valving, and shims, so the handling characteristics are completely different between the two. One leans more towards the comfort side, which is the F spec, and the other leans more towards performance, which is the FR spec. Now, from now until August 16th, we are running a 10% off introductory sale. So if you use the code FF10, you can save 10% off any FactionFab products. Moving right along, this next product, I've got to warn you, is super expensive and bougie. It's the HKS Super Turbo Muffler Titanium Exhaust that retails for $4,800. So like I said, super expensive, but this is going to be for those people that are JDM fanatics and want that rare piece that nobody else has. Full titanium exhaust that weighs just 29 pounds, and it's a full titanium exhaust from HKS. What more can I say? No, we're probably not gonna be able to mount one on the car to get an exhaust video because, well, we don't have 5K laying around, and maybe I can find a video on their website for you, and I'll just put it right here. Now, an exhaust that I actually can install on the car is the new Remark Bosso Edition Axleback Muffler Deletes, which I have here. Now, before you guys roast me on how ridiculous these look, hear me out. They actually don't stick out that much further. It's just about 1.5 inches, and they just extend in further from the body to get that sort of straight pipe look. If you guys don't know the story behind this, this goes all the way overseas to Japan with the Bosuzoku style cars, where they really just let their imagination roam free. So that is the idea behind these. They're available in 3 different finishes. This is obviously the stainless steel. There's also a burnt blue version, which has fully blue tips. And then there's also going to be a burnt stainless where it's just a normal burnt tip at the end here. Now these are going to start coming in late this month, hopefully, for the stainless version, and then late September, almost dropped that, for the blue versions. So pre-orders are available on our website right now. So if you want to be the first people to get if you want to be one of the first people to get their hands on these, head on over to our website and pre-order them. So once they come in, we can ship them out to you. And now for the all-important product update that a lot of you guys have been asking for. When are the 2018 JDM Style Grills going to be available? Well, they're set to come in late September, so we finally have an ETA for these. So for everybody asking, where can I get these? When can I get these? There you have it. And to celebrate that they're actually coming in, we're gonna be giving away one of the prototypes. So literally before they even come out, one of you can be rocking one of these on your car. All you have to do is subscribe, like this video, and comment down below telling me the favorite thing about your car and your least favorite thing. So that's all you gotta do. And that about does it for this month, guys. If you liked what you saw, check out the links down in the description. As always, comment down below if you have any questions or video recommendations, and I'll see you guys next time.